just started trading a little bit, and I soon found out that you have to know something about this to do it, or else you'll lose money. I stumbled over one of Alpesh's videos on YouTube, actually, and there he had this course, so I joined the course. I took his mentorship, and it completely changed my view of things. And I followed the plan. And actually, I started with 250 euros. After I completed the course, I took out $14,000. I think it was 9 months. Then I started to trade crypto instead. So there I used the same strategy, and I made about 70,000 pounds out of that in 2 years. Very good, but I could have made a lot more because I didn't follow his advice at the end, which I should have. So I actually could have had 280,000 pounds, and I put in 1,000 pounds in that. And that's pretty amazing. It was a really good experience. I've just recently started trading again because I've been so busy building the company, which this money may enable me to do. I would never have taken such a risk starting shipping company today with so small amount of cash. But now I have 2 boats, 2 companies. They both are. This 2020 was the first full year in operation for both ships, and they both make money. I even joined the Horizon program, EU's Horizon 2020, which is like small and medium size enterprises that can come with innovations, and you can, if you're lucky, you get through the needle eye and get funding from them. I actually got through the needle eye, competing with, I think it was about 2,000 companies. So I got down to the European Commission, and no script at all. I just had confidence, and I got 2.1 million euros from them in support for my innovation. And it's all thanks to Alpesh Patel. So that's why I'm so grateful.